um in this video, I'm gonna focus on how to read stopwatch. Okay, and I will also expose the shortcut on how to read stopwatch. Okay, but before we understand how to read stopwatch, we have to know the three parts in a stopwatch. Okay, now we have something like this in a stopwatch. We have this part, and we have this part. Okay, we have three parts. This part is for minutes, this part is for seconds, is for sensitivity, this is for minutes, this is for minutes, this is for seconds, this for sensitivity. Please take notes. Okay, so class, now this is your cell phone, something like this. You will see alarm, you will see word clock, you will see stopwatch. Okay, timer. So our intention here is to read stopwatch. Okay, remember we have various practicals. We use stopwatch, something like practical like simple pendulum, compound pendulum, and all. So any practical that deals with oscillation, we always require stopwatch. Okay, now most times the stopwatch might not be provided, so you press something like this. So this is stopwatch here. So when you want to start reading, this is the same thing, the minute part, the seconds, and the sensitivity part. Okay, so when you want to start, you press start. Okay, this is the stopwatch here. So depending on the oscillation, let's take note, depending on oscillation. So we are going to conduct a practical on simple pendulum. All you have to do is to hit the subscriber button to get the full practical video. Okay, now I will click on stop depending on the oscillation. Okay, stop. So this gave us 0028.07. Of course, this part here this part here is our seconds. We pick up our seconds, while this part here is our sensitivity. So how do we plus up the seconds and the sensitivity? For us to convert this sensitivity part to seconds, we divide it by 100. So this is going to be 0.7 divided by 100. I will have this as 0.07. Please take note. So this is going to be, for me to have total time here in seconds, this is going to be 8 plus 0.07, and my result is going to be 28.07. We also have a shorter way to calculate this. So if I have the seconds, this is short way here. If I have the second part to be this and the sensitivity part to be this, just combine them together, and it's going to be, when you do that, you have the total result to be 28.07. So this is the answer here. So you can either use this method or the shortcut method. So if I have something like this, let's go back to the stopwatch again to understand this properly. I have something reset. Okay, if you want to start different practice, I have to reset the stopwatch. Okay, so let's start. So if I have the stopwatch to be this stop, okay, so I have the reading to be this 07.60. So it's very simple here. All you have to do here is to say 7.60. Okay, please take notes. So if I have 04, is the same thing as 4. Please take note. If I have 0, 7, 0, 7 is the same thing as 7. So this 7 dot, that is decimal point C0, combine it together. When you combine it together, you have 7.C0. Please take note. So this is how we read our stopwatch. Okay. So the next video here, in the next video, I'll show how to conduct practicals on simple pendulum. Okay. All you have to do is to hit the subscribe button.